Welcome back. Your time is 4:45 on your Wednesday. Today, nothing too unusual about it. It's going to be hot, humid with a few storms. I don't think it's going to be a washout, and I don't think we'll see as much rain as we saw yesterday across the area, but still about a 20 to 30% chance. With those high temperatures, hotter than yesterday, up to about 89. Yesterday, we maxed out at 84 degrees. That was thanks to all the showers and clouds that developed. Temperatures this morning, I tell you what, they're not bad. 67 in Bogalusa. Look at Reserve at 66 here in the city. We're down to 71 at Kenner, 75 at the lakefront compared to 80 yesterday morning, and 77 in Grand Isle. So feeling a bit better, but we are going to heat things up. Radar this morning, we're already tracking a few showers. These are mainly in coastal areas down into lower Terrebonne near Terrebonne Bay. We've had a few showers closer to Grand Isle, some down near the mouth of the river, and over into portions of South Mississippi and eastern St. Bernard. A lot of this is over marshy areas or over a barrier island or so, but there's a few showers out there this morning near the coast. This afternoon, we'll see more of those showers pop up inland. That's kind of the routine of summertime weather. We see the showers near the morning, near the coast in the morning, and then here we go. We heat up in the afternoon, storms pop up inland, and then they'll rain themselves out once we get towards sunset. Same story tomorrow, about a 30% chance of isolated showers and storms through the afternoon. And then Friday, interestingly enough, we have a north wind kick in with a weak front moving in. Now, this front is not going to bring any cooler weather, maybe a little less humid on Friday, but that's about it. It's not going to be that noticeable for our local area. In fact, look at our temperatures. We go from the low 90s tomorrow. We stay there for a couple of days, and then we see our heat wave really kick in next week. I have the mid 90s, and we'll have a chance at about 95 Monday and Tuesday, and it looks like we could even get hotter towards Wednesday and Thursday. So some true summer heat is on the way. And remember, when you factor in the humidity, it's going to start to feel a bit rough. We'll be up to nearly the 105, 108 criteria by next Monday and Tuesday. So could start to get close to heat advisory criteria by the middle of next week. Yes, we got a lot more of that coming over the coming months. I want to mention some problems ongoing across the U.S. If you're flying up to the Northeast today, big time smoke problems from some large wildfires in Canada. Very dense smoke coming down over the Northeast, all the way from New York up through New England, all the way down to Washington and even Philadelphia and Washington. So that's where your visibility problems, your smoke problems, your air quality problems are. In fact, we don't have any air quality problems, but look at the Northeast, unhealthy levels. And this is for all people. This is not just for sensitive groups. They're in that unhealthy to even at times very unhealthy. If you're traveling up there, it's not a bad idea to maybe have a mask. The smoke is that thick up and around. And in fact, yesterday, New York City had some of the worst air quality, not just in the United States, but the entire world, and that's thanks to that wildfire smoke. So we might see a little bit of a haze from that on Friday with more of a north wind, but we're not expecting anything too bad. Out in the tropics, still watching that subtropical or non-tropical low spinning off the coast of Portugal. Not going to be an issue for the U.S. The Gulf and the Caribbean, not expecting anything to develop. This area of showers and storms near Cuba and Jamaica, it's not expected to develop, and the tropics do look quiet through the rest of this week. There's your 7-day forecast. It's just summertime. We're going to get hotter and hotter as we go through the rest of the week and into next week. True summer heat. It will kick in.